So guys, this is the second week of our trading challenge, which I've been dropping it back to back on my Instagram and even here on YouTube. We've been able to grow that $10,000 to 5%, which is $500, and we took 4 trades, which 2 was a winning trade and 2 was in losses. And you've been able to see how my wins are always way bigger than my losses. I make sure that my risk is very small, and risk management is what will keep you long in the game. I've lost almost $20,000 worth profit challenge the past 6 months, and here are 3 lessons I've learned from losing that particular account. So first one is goal setting. You set a goal, and after setting that goal, you just said, okay, this is my direction. But did you actually have a system around that goal to achieve it? What system? And a lot of people don't know what is system. So I'll break that down again. What is system for you as a trader? System is actually where the most thing happen. Okay, you set a goal, but what will make you achieve that goal is called system in between your goal and where you are. This is where you are now. This is where you are, and this is where your goal is. In between here is the system. What system are you building to achieve this goal? So if, for example, you said you want to create 100 content, 100 videos, what system are you going to build? So the system is, I'm going to shoot a video every single day, is non-negotiable. I will shoot 1 video per day, edit the video, and post it every single day. That is your system. That system will enable you to achieve that goal. And imagine somebody that said he wants to shoot 100 videos, but he would shoot on one seat. He will shoot 5 videos and post it. He will post videos when he feels like. He will shoot the content when he feels like doing it. So this is the 2 different people, right? Who do you think is going to achieve his goal at the end of the day? Is actually the person that sets down and plan that he's going to shoot, even though it's not much, but he will be shooting 1 video every single day. Before you know, it automatically becomes his habit to shoot content without even doing it. Same thing with your trading. You said you needed to achieve a goal of making $100,000, and you have not yet set achievable goals. You set goals, right? But what are the system you're building in between that $100,000? Are you going to use Profem to take you to your goal? In the Profem, what system do you have that will work for you? What is your risk management system? How do you analyze the market? So you build system like, I wake up every morning to analyze so pair. This is my time frame to analyze. I would not miss my daily checklist, my trading rules, my confirmation rules. These are clearly systems that will take you to your challenge where you are. And then people mistake system for structure. Structure is doing this thing at the right, building your system in order. That is structure. Putting it in a well-structured form, not randomly. So like we use the example of the video. You are meant to shoot video every single day, but you can't just say, okay, randomly every day you shoot video. Structure make it that, okay, I shoot video at particular so time, and this is the kind of content I will shoot for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every single time. So this is what structure and system simply means as a trader for you. So if you enjoyed this video, like it and share. Click on the subscribe button so that you will be the first to get notification whenever I drop a new video. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.